Hi and welcome to RC Kicks. On today's show we'll be finally getting around to stripping down the Porsche. I've been wanting to do this one for a while, but I've had to put it off due to other aspects of getting the studio ready and also working on other cars. So without further ado, let's crack on and strip down this classic and see how much damage there is hidden away inside. Okay, so the car in 58 minutes is completely dismantled. Car's a little bit more complicated than I thought, being more finicky than anything. I do have the manual to put it back together again from start to finish in the order that it's designed, so I'm not too worried about paying too much attention to what overlays when you're just dismantling it. Gearboxes look great, happy with that. Good clean, put them back together again. Mostly give them a good, you know, all the parts are good clean and a good soak, so the plastic's a bit softer, less brittle. Shocks will need rebuilding, they're pretty naff. Not sure if I can actually get a bit more of this like plastic tubing. I would assume there's some tubing that I can pick up. I'll do a bit of search and I'll ask around on the 959 forum, because it'd be nice to get rid of the yellow to have them nice and fresh again. Rebuild the shocks. Electronics look fine, not a problem on that side, so no nasty surprises. Don't think it's done that much. The Technigold motor looks like it's just sat in the car. It's almost perfect. There's no marks, there's nothing on it. It looks really clean, so happy about that. Next thing, lots of cleaning. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, it really helps this little channel. And let the fun begin of starting to put it back together again after it's been cleaned. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.